How to fix Face ID required, stolen device protection is turned on. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Face ID required, stolen device protection is turned on. The solution for this is really simple. All you have to do is turn off your stolen device protection. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings app. After you open up your settings app, scroll down and there you should see Face ID and passcode. Tap on it and open it up. Now right here you will need to type in your current password. So type in your mobile's current password. And after you do that, you will be on your Face ID and passcode settings. Now right here scroll down and right there you will find stolen device protection. Tap on it and simply turn it off and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.